Ciao amici, io sono William e questo è A Tu Per Go. In questo video andiamo in una fattoria, tipica fattoria irlandese. Partiamo da qui, da Westport, County Mayo, Irlanda, e adesso alle 7:50 prendiamo il trenino che ci porta a Ballina. Quindi andiamo più a nord, come state vedendo in questa mappa straordinaria e super professionale. In questo fine settimana c'è appunto il mio amico e coinquilino, che è di là, è di Ballina, che ha la fattoria e che ho detto, ma perché non vieni su e mi dai una mano a mungere le mucche? Ho detto, why not? Let's do it! No problems! Quindi questa prima parte del video ovviamente sarà in italiano, quando arrivo lì a Ballina sarà la parte del video in inglese. No, quello che capite capite, quello che non capite non capite e non mi venite a scassare un ecco, proprio per dirla proprio con. Quindi tutto pronto, quello che dobbiamo fare noi adesso è prepararci il cambio, perché ovviamente per lavorare in stalla bisogna avere un cambio perché ci si sporcherà sicuramente, buttare tutto dentro lo zaino, aprire la porta, aprire e chiudere la porta esterna e andare in stazione che è a 5 minuti qua di distanza. Cos'è che dicono gli youtuber in questo caso? Non lo so, dai Roma dai, non lo so, cosa dicono? Non lo so. Oro, Granata, Rey e Venezia! Si saluta così la contea di Bilbo Baggins qua. Siamo arrivati a Ballina, signori. Questo era il trenino e questa è la stazione di Ballina. Non c'era assolutamente nessuno, ero l'unico nel treno, l'unico! Una casa in stile Tudor. È stile Tudor? No. Sono strane queste travi così di legno, ma è tipica inglese questa. Io dovrei avere un taxi privato che mi doveva venire a prendere, non vedo nessuno. Per chi fosse interessato a venire a Ballina, sembra che sia anche un centro storico importante. Guarda, non male. Noi siamo qua. E io dovevo andare su per St. Patrick's Well. Questo è meglio che faccia un chiamo al mio compañeros para preguntarle dónde está. Que tenía que venirme a tomar con el coche. Beh, è carina Ballina però, non male. Probably we got Gary over there. So let's just change to English. Because otherwise I will not speak proper English. Yes, we got him. We got our taxi. Hello. How you doing? All good. A great journey. I love the train. Did you wake up 5 minutes ago, right? Jesus Christ. All right. I'm lucky too of having your brother's car.
Yeah, no, not too bad.
It's nice. First time here in Ballina, and it looks pretty nice actually. It's not too bad.
And the train is good. It's a good service.
It's a good service, and it really looks like a bus. Are you following this goal?
Goal is being followed.
Okay, good. Well, I saw your last access at 1.
Then I checked the phone. Then it was not too bad.
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. Which is the house? Is this the new one?
Yeah.
Wow. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a proper Irish farm. Fantastic. Look at them. Amazing. They have names. Well, I'm going to call them. The first one over here is Mary. You have the face of Mary, isn't it? Well, the smell is amazing. Look at you. So what is this, for example? milking tank.
So that then is the milk.
Where is the milk? Inside of this? Wow! Look! So it's going inside through those pipes and tubes, right?
Yep.
Wow. And then someone's coming and taking it. And then they pay for you.
Yeah, they do.
Wow. It's just water, right?
Oh, yeah. That's the rain, that's that.
Ah. You said you're gonna milk just 12 of them, not everybody, not all of them.
13 of them, yeah.
13.
Yep.
Hopefully. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Please follow the lane. Go there. Moo, moo, moo. Please go there. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. You're more than welcome. No, go there, please. Jesus! No, no, no. Go there. Jesus Christ. They know already where to go. They know already. Piano piano ragazze, go slow. Ciao. Ciao. So I'm probably gonna move from here. Bye bye, ciao ciao, bye bye, ciao ciao. Are they going to kill me? There is a chance. Porca. Go over there, please. Follow the path. Come on, girls. Ma parli italiano o parli inglese tu? Cosa parli tu? Huh? So first things first, you're going to wash them, right?
Yeah.
Because they're dirty. And probably because you don't want the milk to be dirty. Am I right?
Yeah, that's right.
Look at this. Guys and girls, she's pissing. Oh, come on, be polite. Look at you. You have the face of someone who doesn't want to piss it. You want to do the big stuff, isn't it?
This amount of meal.
Okay.
And it'll be the same the next time, but only one at a time. So this bucket goes to five of them, although one of them is standing up. So I need to put them
And where do you throw it there underneath?
So there's little things. I do the first one then.
Okay. Ah, look at this, it's coming out. Oh, wow, great. And how long did it take? Does it take?
Until it stops.
Until it stops. So normally it's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, how much?
Less than 5.
Less than 5! And you cannot drink this straight away, right?
Once it goes in the tank, you can.
Ah, okay. So actually, I came here to give help to Gary. And I'm just making videos and looking at him working. I'm just a proper Italian doing nothing. I'm just talking and asking stupid questions. Look at them, they're all eating. So what he did was giving them some milk to defocus them from the milking process and to stay focused on the eating, so they are not kicking back, to Gary. So guys, we need to ask to Gary to tell us, otherwise this YouTube channel is going to go down because of you. Please, tell us where the milk is going.
Use for butter.
For the butter, all right? For the national provision of the butter, all right? Is there like a company that you know that is working for? Huh? Okay. Is the gold one that you find in there? All right. All right. I see.
It's not a promotion video.
This is not we're not getting paid, actually. We're not getting paid. And so all the milk that the machine are sucking from the titties of the cows is going on this one after all, right?
Yes, it goes from here to here.
Okay. And then it goes there. Okay. But Gary said to me that it doesn't have to be pasteurized, so but if you drink it like, you know, a liter of this, you're gonna get sick or not?
It's full fat.
It's full fat. All right. Because I love you. I love you. I love you. Look at you. So she's finished, and we are getting from one cow 11 liters of milk. And as Gary, the master, says, probably this evening another 11 liters. You're doing a great job, Mary. Your name is Mary, huh? If I called you, you have to turn yourself and look at me. Wow. How does it work? There is like a vacuum sucking. It's like there is no air inside.
Yeah, and then it goes out into here.
Bye, girls. Thank you very much for your service. You can go, you can go. Very good. You cannot understand the smell that there is inside of this place. When some of those girls are taking a shit. Mamma mia, che schifo. And he's working there, look. Just in front of the hole of those cows. Oh, impossible. It's impossible. And then at some point he did like, because some of the cows were ready to kick him in the face, probably. So now he's trying to, you see, cleaning the floor, but the smell, it's hard. It's hard. Imagine doing this every day for twice a day. They're fighting for the meal on the floor. That was because of me. And this is because I did a shit job and the meal went on the floor, and Gary now is not going to be happy.
No.
So because I did a shit job, as I said, the second one was trying to take the meal from the first one, and they were like overlapping each other. So I needed to put some more meal on the second one, and now it seems like the third one is trying to push for the second one. It's just a mess. And these girls are taking a lot of milk out. You see here, we are 25 kilos of milk. And that's the girl that take it just 5 minutes before, and the smell is terrible. Come on, up! Also you go. You turn yourself. She's going to kick me? Hey, come on. Turn yourself on the other direction.
Okay.
Why she doesn't want to turn? And then of course after the cows have been, letting them out, there is a lot of cleaning, just some water and how is that called? I don't remember. So now the process is just the cleaning, putting some chemicals inside the tubes. That tubes have to be clean, of course, after the milking. And he said to me that in 10 minutes approximately it's going to be finished, and we need to feed the calves. So I don't exactly know what does it means, and I'm ready to everything. I just need to do something. But what I do, I mess up, so I'm sorry about it. He's a shy guy. He doesn't want to say to me, no, come on, I don't want to explain nothing, I don't want to say this and that. But then when the camera is off, he's handsome and wonderful and cheerful guy. I'm following him. I don't know where he's going. Over there. Probably he's going to kill me. What's inside of this? What's inside? Let me do the job. Let me do the job. Okay. You see, I don't know how. I don't even know how to pull a lid. Look at this. I'm a master. I'm a master. He's doing good. He's doing good. He's learning fast. Oh Jesus. Oh no, come on. I have to do this. Porca puttana. Are they gonna come? Ma... Dai! Forza ragazzi! Oh Jesus. Oh, I'm afraid. Where do I put myself? Jesus! They're following me! Oh cazzo. Go there. Bravi. How old are they? Roughly.
They be
Like
7 months?
7 months? Alright. I was saying like 7 years old, but enjoy yourself, guys. Have a nice breakfast. Did you have breakfast actually?
No.
Well, we're going to have some breakfast then. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And I'm doing nothing. 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 Just hanging around, you know, just looking at cows. And if I go down here, I'm gonna get kicked. All the calves over there. Well, as I said at the beginning of the video, I have to switch to English language because then if I turn to Italian, then I need some, you know, when I turn my mind and my brain in one of those, so it could be Italian, could be English, could be Spanish, then it needs me like 3 or 4, maybe 5 minutes if I have to switch from one to one to get really myself into the language that I'm speaking right now. For example, if I have to switch to Italian, then I have to come back to English because I have to talk with Gary. Then it will be hard for me. Do you know? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Probably yes, probably no. I don't know. Anyway, I see no cows. Ah, they're over there. Look at them. Look at them. Those little points on the background there. Well, guys, there are very few people that are just following those videos, and I'm not doing it for the fame or for, you know, for something, for money or for whatever. It's just that I like making videos. I do like, and I just want to share some of my experience. I reckon that many experiences that I have in my life are just unique, and the things that I'm doing, like for example this morning, it's not really common, you know, it's just something that happens, and I said, why not to share to everybody? To everybody, why not to share to everybody? So what we're gonna do now is just try a little spoon of the milk, just a little spoon, not too much, because then I will... Vi faccio vedere how the tank inside is. Cheers! It's good.
Yeah.
It's really good. Okay, let me finish it. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna shit myself. So I want to say to everybody that my friend Gary is learning something. Look, that's a proper pasta. That's a proper pasta. A decent, easy, and probably wonderful. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. You know what? That's good. That's good. Tutto bene. He's a good man. Yeah, he's learning a lot. We're going to meet the deers. Okay? And we are not allowed to talk. Che sporo. They're very sensitive like me. I'm very sensitive. See you.